Hello, good morning. I would like to reserve a table for two this afternoon. Do you have availability? Hello, good morning. Thank you for reaching out to us. Of course, we still have a table for two available. Uh, when exactly would you like to come? Uh, Maybe around 5 p.m. Is there a table near the window? Oh, we have a table near the window at 5 p.m. May I have your name, sir? Oh, my name is Ahmed. Thank you, Mr. Ahmed. We will reserve a table by the window for you at 5 p.m. We look forward to your arrival. Oh, thank you so much. See you later. You are welcome, Mr. Ahmed. We are happy to assist you.